Nestled within the breathtaking Swat Valley of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, Pakistan, lies the tranquil settlement of Bimbal. This small village, often overlooked by tourists, offers a unique blend of natural beauty and serene tranquility. Its geographical coordinates place it at insert approximate coordinates with an altitude of insert approximate altitude. Bimbal enjoys a strategic location, a short distance from the bustling city of Mingora and within easy reach of other notable destinations in the Swat Valley. Bimbal is a place where time seems to slow down. The air is fresh and clean and the silence is broken only by the sound of birdsong and the gentle breeze rustling through the trees. The village is surrounded by lush green fields, orchards laden with fruit, and towering mountains that seem to touch the sky. The people of Bimbal are known for their warm hospitality and their simple way of life. They are mostly farmers and shepherds, and they live in harmony with nature. Life in Bimbal is slow-paced and peaceful, a world away from the hustle and bustle of city life. For those seeking an escape from the ordinary, Bimbal offers an opportunity to reconnect with nature and experience the true meaning of tranquility. Its unspoiled beauty, coupled with the warmth of its people, makes it a destination that will stay with you long after you have left. The Swat River, often referred to as the Switzerland of the East, is the lifeblood of the valley, and Bimbal is fortunate to be located along its banks. The river, originating high in the Hindu Kush mountains, flows through the valley, its crystal-clear waters teeming with fish. The riverbanks are lined with willow and poplar trees, their branches dipping into the water, creating a picturesque scene. The Swat River is not just a scenic wonder, it is also a source of livelihood for many people in the region. The river's waters are used for irrigation and its banks provide grazing land for livestock. The river is also popular for fishing, and anglers can be seen casting their lines into its waters, hoping to catch trout, mussel and other species. For the adventurous, the Swat River offers opportunities for whitewater rafting and kayaking. The river's rapids, ranging from Class 1 to Class 4, provide an exhilarating experience for thrill seekers. For those who prefer a more leisurely experience, boating and fishing trips can be arranged. The Swat River is a vital part of the ecosystem of the Swat Valley. Its waters sustain life, its banks provide shelter, and its beauty enchants all who behold it. A visit to Bimbal would be incomplete without spending some time by the river, soaking in its tranquility and appreciating its significance. Bimbal is embraced by the majestic foothills of the Himalayas, their towering peaks piercing the sky, creating a dramatic backdrop. These mountains are not just a feast for the eyes, they are home to a rich diversity of flora and fauna. Dense forests of pine, cedar and fir cover the slopes, their verdant hues changing with the seasons. These forests are home to a variety of wildlife, including leopards, black bears, wolves and a variety of bird species. The mountains also offer a haven for hikers and trekkers, with numerous trails winding through the forest, leading to breathtaking viewpoints and hidden waterfalls. One can spend days exploring the trails, each turn revealing a new vista, each step taking you further into the heart of the Himalayas. The air is fresh and invigorating, carrying the scent of pine and damp earth. As you ascend, the views become more expansive, offering panoramic views of the valley below. The Himalayan foothills are a reminder of the power and majesty of nature. They stand as silent guardians, their presence a source of inspiration and awe. To stand amidst these giants is to feel humbled and insignificant, yet strangely connected to something much larger than oneself. Adding to the allure of Bimbal are the numerous waterfalls cascading down the mountain slopes, their thunderous roar echoing through the valleys. These waterfalls, fed by melting snow and glaciers, are a sight to behold, their crystal-clear waters plunging down rocky cliffs, creating a mesmerizing spectacle. Some waterfalls are easily accessible, located a short hike from the village. Others require a more strenuous trek, but the reward is well worth the effort. Each waterfall has its own unique charm, some cascading in a single drop, others tumbling down in a series of steps. These waterfalls are not just visually stunning, they also offer respite from the heat, their cool spray a welcome relief on a hot summer day. The sound of the water crashing against the rocks is both soothing and invigorating, washing away the stress and worries of everyday life. Local folklore often attributes mystical qualities to these waterfalls, believing them to possess healing powers. Whether or not one subscribes to these beliefs, there is no denying the tranquility and sense of peace that one experiences when standing before these natural wonders. Section 5. A climate of contentment. Seasons of Bimbal. Bimbal experiences a temperate climate with 4 distinct seasons, each painting the landscape in its own unique hues. Spring transforms the valley into a riot of colors as wildflowers carpet the meadows and fruit trees burst into bloom. The air is filled with the sweet scent of blossoms, and the sound of birdsong fills the air. Summer brings warm days and cool nights, ideal for exploring the surrounding mountains and enjoying picnics by the river. The days are long and lazy, perfect for soaking up the sun and enjoying the slower pace of life. Autumn paints the mountains in shades of gold, red, and brown as the leaves of deciduous trees prepare to shed their summer coats. The air turns crisp and cool, and the smell of wood smoke from village fireplaces fills the air. It is a time for harvest, and the villagers celebrate with traditional festivals and gatherings. Winter blankets the mountains in snow, transforming the landscape into a winter wonderland. The waterfalls freeze over, creating stunning ice sculptures, and the air is filled with the sound of crunching snow beneath your feet. While the weather can be unpredictable during this time, the beauty of Bimbal in winter is undeniable. Section 6. Beyond Bimbal, exploring nearby treasures. While Bimbal itself offers a wealth of natural wonders, its strategic location provides easy access to other notable destinations in the Swat Valley. Just a short drive away lies Malam Jabba, a popular hill station known for its skiing and snowboarding slopes during the winter months. Further afield, the Kalam Valley, with its lush green meadows, towering waterfalls and snow-capped peaks, offers a glimpse into the heart of the Himalayas. The valley is a haven for hikers and trekkers, with numerous trails leading to alpine lakes, glaciers, and breathtaking viewpoints. For those interested in history and culture, the Swat Valley is dotted with ancient Buddhist stupas and monasteries, a testament to the region's rich past. The Swat Museum in Mingora houses a fascinating collection of artifacts, providing insights into the valley's history and cultural heritage. Section 7. Journeying to Tranquility, access and accommodation. Reaching Bimbal is relatively easy, with well-maintained roads connecting it to major cities in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. The nearest airport is in Islamabad, from where one can hire a car or take a bus to Mingora. From Mingora, local transport options, such as taxis and shared vans, are available to reach Bimbal. While Bimbal itself offers limited accommodation options, the nearby city of Mingora provides a range of hotels and guest houses to suit all budgets. From budget-friendly guest houses to luxurious hotels, Mingora offers a comfortable base for exploring Bimbal and its surrounding areas. It is advisable to inform yourself about local customs and traditions before visiting Bimbal, as it is a predominantly conservative area. Dressing modestly and respecting local sensitivities will ensure a pleasant and respectful experience for both visitors and locals. Section 8. Preserving Paradise, a call to responsible tourism. Bimbal, with its unspoiled beauty and serene tranquility, is a reminder of the importance of preserving our natural heritage. As visitors, it is our responsibility to ensure that our presence does not negatively impact this fragile ecosystem. We must strive to minimize our footprint by practicing responsible tourism. This includes disposing of waste responsibly, respecting local customs and traditions, and supporting local businesses. By being mindful of our actions, we can help preserve the beauty of Bimbal for generations to come. Let us tread lightly upon this land, appreciating its beauty without compromising its future. Let us be responsible stewards of this natural paradise, ensuring that its tranquility and splendor continue to enchant visitors for years to come.